Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel, How to Guide. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an account for Shein. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on the notification so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Shein is a Chinese online fashion retailer. It was founded in 2008. The company is known for its affordable price apparels and it serves all over the world. To create your Shein account, firstly, in the search bar, type in Shein.com. This is the official website of Shein. Now, to register for Shein, click on the human icon. From there, a drop down will open. Now, click on Sign in/register. Now, you can see two sections. If you already have an account, you can log into your account through this section. But if you want to create a new account, enter in your email address. Then create a new password. Again, reconfirm your password. Now also select your style preferences. Then check this box. Then after you're done, click on register. Then after you do that, a verification email will be sent to your email address. You'll need to verify your email first, then you'll be all good to go. So that's how you can create an account for Shein. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.